Hello everyone, it is Keshav Bhatt. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to show you a snake game that was that I created as my first project in C programming and data structure, and that is array and linked list simply. And I think most of you are familiar with this game, snake game, because when smartphone was not there, so it was very usual to everyone. And so I just created it. So let me show you. I made this game using Turbo C++ compiler. It is a very old compiler, but it is actually very good. So here it is the code, and it is a very long code actually. I think it is 4 and 500 line code, and I used graphics.h and dos.h libraries. And because these libraries are outdated, so you cannot use in the like in Visual Studio Code. So there are another library, SDL, and we can make this game using C++. That will be very short and very easy to create that game. So I will definitely make this game using C++ also, but now I'm going to show you using the C. So let me play this. So here it is, it's the interface, the first start, level and exit. So I'm going to start this. So here it is. It has many features like no, it has features like it will show score and high score also. And when your score will be exceed high score, so then the both score and high score will increase in the same order. And speed is also there. After eating 5 balls, your speed will be increased by 20%. Like now you can just see that speed has been increased 20%. And actually it took me almost 2 weeks to make. I just make it using my own knowledge and knowledge of data structure. So it was not that much tough, but like you can just create this game. Now if I will just do this, so the game will be over, and I have redirected to my code page. So it was the code. And if you want to just this code, so you can visit my GitHub library, and I will mention the link below. And here it is the game. Sorry, here it is the code. And here are the necessary file you need to install before running this. And this can be only run in Turbo C++, so you will have to just install that first, then you will have to run this one. So that was the game, and thank you so much.